I got this Evanix AR6 Shrouded last month after struggle between this gun and another high level FX Monsoon, and well, eventually I picked this cheap one. Well, what I found is I'm not satisfied with this gun. I was actually looking for a semi automatic air gun with very limited noise, but actually end up with this gun. While it's very powerful, it's very accurate, but the noise level is really not low. I mean, I feel it's quite loud, and also the semi-automatic, the double action actually is not useful for hunting. Maybe for it's used. Maybe you can play it with target practice, but not for hunting. It's really hard. It's 12-pound trigger is really not useful. So today let me show you the noise with two kind of palette. One is the dynamic, the lead free from England, and that's about 16G and in weight, and the other one is the biggest 0.22 palette that is from Eun Jin, and then this is the palette, and this is the dynamic. So let me have some comparison in terms of noise to see if really the power can be shifted onto the weight of the pallet from making noise. Let's see. So I'm going to try this dynamic pallet first. Well, one thing with this magazine, or with all the magazines of air gun, is you don't know from the outside of the gun. You don't know if the gun is empty. So the way I make it is I make a mark somewhere here. See? So when I load this magazine, I load this mark at the top. So as you fire, it rotates, and eventually when the mark returns to the original position, that means the gun is empty. So that's the way I identified it. Anyway, let's try it out. Okay. All right. So let's load the gun with the magazine with the marker at top. Okay, I'm going to show one single action fire first, and then I'm going to show the rest of the double action. So let's see. It's quite loud. See that? And then the follow-up is double action. All right. So this is the dynamic. So now let's try the heaviest 0.22 pallet. Okay, that is 32G. All right. So the same thing. Double action for single action first. Double action. All right.